right, we begin with a live look down by the South Dakota border at our Dakota Magic Casino cam, and some beautiful colors in the post-sunset sky out to the south and west of the casino there. No threatening clouds out there, and our temperatures have certainly taken a kick in the shins. And right now it's 9 degrees in the FM area. Feels like 3 below. Winds are under 10 miles per hour, and they're from that cold northerly direction as we head into the evening hours. Now, the coldest of the air mass is going to make its way into east North Dakota, into northwest Minnesota, where temperatures are already in the lower single digits. 3 in Langdon, 4 in Thief River Falls. Right now, Fergus Falls, you have 9 degrees. And the Banana Belt out in Jamestown right now, where it is 15 degrees. Cloud cover associated with a weather wiggle working its way south and east out of here. That's going to leave most of our area, particularly our northern counties, with clear skies. So temperatures are going to be on their way down this evening. And by the time we get to our 10 at 10, if you have a chance to join us, we should be talking about a few locations below zero at that time. Holding on to the 5 to 10 degree range down to the south, and overnight we all get chilly. The coldest of the air, notice there's a boundary here. Rolla, Maddock, Devil's Lake, all the way down to just north of the FM area where we'll have that sub-zero air, and that does sneak down into Lakes country as well. So northern and western Minnesota, the northeast quadrant of North Dakota will have sub-zero temperatures with wind chills between around 20 and possibly 30 degrees. Below, it doesn't take a lot of wind for some pretty nasty wind chills in the morning. Down to the south will be above zero, but just barely 2 degrees in Fargo as you're heading off to work and school. Now, as we go through the morning, we're going to see some sunshine. We're not going to have a lot of wind, and that north wind is going to keep temperatures pretty cool. So we'll struggle to get above zero in our far northern communities. Then as we look down to the south, we'll be slowly climbing into the teens out there on a sunny day. Now, as we go through the afternoon hours, those winds become more westerly than northerly. And then by the evening, you'll start to see a south wind, particularly out in our westernmost counties. And that south wind into the overnight is actually going to cause temperatures to rise, but not in the evening. We'll dip down pretty close to zero by tomorrow evening at 10 o'clock. And then overnight, I think we'll see a bump in temperatures into your Wednesday. Here's Fargo's planner for tomorrow morning. Single digits, sunny skies, and enough wind to make it wind chilly outdoors. Through the midday hour, we'll rise into the teens, and that's right where we'll stay through the afternoon. Then early evening, temperatures dive down quickly before these south winds will allow us to warm back up into your Wednesday. Your hometown looks like this. We'll see single-digit readings for much of northwest Minnesota, 10 to 15 for the rest of us here in the Southern Valley and out in eastern North Dakota. Beautiful shot here. This is on the Upper Red Lake ice fishing out there. Peyton, thanks for sharing your photo. Now, we've got a lot to talk about here. First and foremost, the rise in temperatures on Wednesday. Not as warm as the weekend, but still feeling quite nice. Chance for some light snow showers, very light Thursday, and maybe even a few flurries on a cold Friday when we're back down to single digits. Then warming for the weekend. All this looks great, you say, but Hutch says, let's keep our eyes on the middle of the month. As we go beyond Monday, we're talking Wednesday and the Thursday. Models starting to advertise. The American model here shows whoop, big-time storm system blowing up into the northern plains, heavy snow for at least a portion of our viewing area. And the reason we're showing you this is because more than one model concurs that this indeed could be a significant snowmaker. It doesn't look like a direct strike on the valley, but certainly some shovel trouble could be on our way again. The timing, Wednesday night and Thursday of next week. We'll keep you apprised to any changes in this, but keep in mind we could have some shoveling to do as we go through midweek next week.
Yes. All right. Thanks, Hutch.
Yes.